Check out this warble that we pulled out of this tiny kitten's nose this morning. Warbles are the larvae of a type of large fly. The flies lay eggs on the skin and the larvae grows and emerges with the shell from the bed. Luckily, this one was easy to see and clean. The kitty will be fine with some antibiotics and rest.
Last time I had one, I couldn't stop sneezing.
Oh my gosh, kitty.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, I shouldn't make that noise when you're...
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Almost.
You're okay,
Doesn't
honey.
like going to brain.
And no, it's okay, baby.
Just kittens.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. I know. You're so good, baby.
Good kitty.
You are such a good baby kitten. Good baby kitty. Hold on, baby. Good baby, good baby, good baby.
Almost there we go. Oh, wow.
I will tell you, it's huge.
Good job, sweetie.
Poor little thing.
You okay?
Oh,
Good job, Doc.
there you go.
They're laying
That's what I was about to
eggs
say.
over
Everyone to
there
be like,
in that group. And
This cat is fully sedated and doesn't feel any pain. The veterinarian took the time in precision to try and not harm the cat or damage her nostrils. You can see it before and after removing it. That made a big difference. Everything went well and the cat woke up safe and sound.
Whoa.
That's amazing.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh, poor babe.
Poor kitty. Look at the size of that nostril.